Thanks for your purchase. We value you as a customer and hope this video will help you use your new product safely and effectively. If you have any questions or problems with your product, please do not return it to the store. Call 1-800-828-5500 in the U.S. or 1-800-668-1238 in Canada for technical support. Carefully remove the blower, tubes, and hardware pack from the box. Refer to the fast assembly guide attached to the unit for quick setup instructions. Open the parts pack and remove the contents. The owner's manual also has more detailed instructions. Place a hose clamp over the end of the flex tube. Slide the flex tube onto the elbow tube. Tighten the hose clamp. Place a hose clamp over the other end of the flex tube. Slide the flex tube onto the upper blower tube and tighten the clamp. Insert the lower blower tube into the upper blower tube. Rotate the lower tube clockwise until it locks into place. Insert the lower blower tube into the nozzle. Rotate the nozzle clockwise until it locks into place. Zip tie the throttle cable to the elbow tube. Loosen the two lower screws on the throttle control. Adjust the throttle control to a position which provides the best grip. To add oil to a new engine, locate the oil bottle that came with the blower. Cut the tip off the spout. Remove the cap and pry the protective seal off the bottle. Then reinstall the cap. Remove the oil fill plug. Insert the spout into the oil fill tube and slowly squeeze until all the contents of the bottle have been added to the engine. Place the unit on a flat surface and verify the oil level is correct. The oil level should be just to the bottom of the oil fill plug threads. Add oil if needed. Replace the oil fill plug when the oil level is correct. Carefully add fresh unleaded gasoline to the fuel tank. Do not overfill the fuel tank. Replace the fuel cap when finished. Starting instructions are printed on the unit. To start the engine, place the choke lever in position 1 and press the primer bulb 10 times. Do not squeeze the trigger. Pull the starter rope 5 times, then move the choke lever to position 2. Pull the rope until the engine starts, or a maximum of 5 times. Squeeze the trigger and press down on the cruise control. Warm up the engine with the choke lever in position 2 for 30 to 60 seconds. Move the choke lever into position 3 and allow 60 seconds for the unit to completely warm up. The unit may be used during this 60-second warm-up time in position 3. If the engine does not start after 5 pulls, start over by pressing the primer bulb 10 times and repeating the starting procedures. If the engine still does not start, it may be flooded. Refer to your owner's manual for additional procedures. To start a blower engine that is hot, move the choke lever to position 2. Do not squeeze the trigger. Pull the rope until the engine starts, or a maximum of 5 times. Squeeze the trigger and press down on the cruise control. Run the engine with the choke lever in position 2 for 30 to 60 seconds. Move the choke lever to position 3 to use the unit. When it is required to clean the air filter per the maintenance schedule stated in your manual, open the filter housing. Remove the foam filter. Wash the filter in soapy water. Squeeze, do not wring the water out of the filter. Rinse thoroughly and allow to air dry. Add a few drops of oil on the foam and lightly squeeze the filter to spread the oil. Reinstall the filter. Close the filter cover. When it is required to change the oil per maintenance schedule stated in your manual, make sure the unit is warm so the oil will drain more completely. Remove the oil fill plug and drain the oil by tipping the unit onto the side so the oil flows into a catch container. Slowly add 90 milliliters of new SAE 30 oil. Replace the oil cap and wipe any oil from the housings. When it is required to replace the spark plug per the maintenance schedule stated in your manual, use needle nose pliers as a fork to carefully lift the rubber boot off of the spark plug. Use a spark plug wrench or a socket to remove the plug. Do not clean the plug. Install the new plug as specified in the manual. Allow the engine to warm up at wide open throttle for 60 seconds. Insert a Phillips screwdriver into the idle speed adjustment screw and slowly rotate the screw clockwise until the unit idles smoothly. Refer to your owner's manual for other cleaning and storage instructions. Visit the Troy-Bilt website for more information regarding attachments and accessories for your product. Other videos are available to help you set up, operate, and maintain your Troy-Bilt equipment.